Samsung fans, get ready because the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is already making waves. Exciting leaks are pouring in, and this phone might just redefine Samsung's flagship lineup. From stunning new colors to upgraded features, there's plenty to talk about. If you're wondering whether to get hyped for this phone or stick with your current device, you're in the right place. Today, we'll break down everything you need to know about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and by the end, you'll have a clear idea of whether this upgrade is worth it. Let's start with what's turning heads, the new colors. Samsung is stepping up its game with a confirmed stunning shade called titanium white silver. Imagine a pure white back paired with a sleek silvery frame. It's clean, classy, and premium. Perfect for anyone looking for a standout design. But that's not all. There are more standard colors to choose from, including titanium black, titanium blue, and titanium gray. If you love exclusive options, Samsung's online store has even more to offer. Expect shades like titanium pink gold, jade green, and even a bold blue/black combo. Whether you like something minimal or flashy, there's a color for everyone. Now, mark your calendars. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to launch on January 22, 2025. If these leaks are anything to go by, Samsung's big reveal is going to be a showstopper. Moving on to the design, Samsung is making some notable changes. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a titanium build. This smart feature ensures you get an excellent balance between performance and battery efficiency. Under the hood, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is all set to deliver cutting-edge performance. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy. This is Samsung's latest custom-tuned processor, built for speed and efficiency. What makes it stand out is the 3 AM process. Smaller processes mean better power management and faster performance. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or using AI features, the Snapdragon 8 Elite will handle everything effortlessly. It's not just about speed, though. This chip also includes an upgraded CPU, GPU, and modem. You can expect smoother graphics, faster app performance, and top-notch connectivity. Simply put, the S25 Ultra is built to handle anything you throw at it, now and for years to come. Now, let's get into one of the most exciting parts of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the camera system. Samsung is aiming to make this phone a leader in mobile photography. The main highlight is the 200-megapixel primary camera. It features an f/1.7 aperture and optical image stabilization. That means sharper, more detailed photos, even in little light conditions. For wide shots, there's a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera with an f/2.2 aperture. It'll capture stunning landscapes and group shots with ease. Then there are the telephoto lenses. The first is a 10-megapixel lens with 3x optical zoom. The second is a 50-megapixel lens with 5x optical zoom and 100x digital zoom. Whether you're zooming in on faraway objects or shooting detailed close-ups, the S25 Ultra has you covered. On the front, the 12-megapixel selfie camera will allow for crystal-clear selfies. It also supports 8K video recording at 30 fps and 4K video at 120 fps. If you're a content creator or just someone who loves recording videos, this phone will be a game changer. Now let's talk about the price. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will start at $1,299 for the base model of 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. If you need more space, the 1TB variant with 16 gigabytes of RAM will set you back around $1,659. Yes, it's a premium price tag, but Samsung is clearly targeting users who want cutting-edge technology, top-tier performance, and a phone that will last for years, though. What's the bottom line? The Galaxy S25 Ultra brings a premium design, cutting-edge display, and powerful performance. It also adds exciting new colors like titanium white silver and extended software support for up to 7 years. However, many of the upgrades are incremental compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you're using last year's model, upgrading might not be essential. But for those ready to invest in Samsung's newest flagship, the Samsung S25 Ultra delivers a truly top-of-the-line experience. What do you think? Are you excited about the titanium white silver color, or are you sticking with your current phone? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech updates.